guys. So in this short video I want to show you how to import or add your token to Metamask. How you can import or add any token to Metamask. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so as I keep dishing out vital information about crypto investment, crypto trading and airdrop in general. So let's talk about how you can import any token to your Metamask. So you must first get the token contract address. You must first get the token contract address. And how can you get that? You can get the token contract address whether from their Twitter page, from their website, or from the coin market cap. So this is the coin market cap, for instance, and I want to get the token contract address of this coin called Shiba AI. So let me copy the token contract address of Shiba AI. So I will scroll down. I will scroll down here. So you scroll down to get the token contract address. So you can see here, you can see contract address here. So we click this rectangular shape here to copy the contract address. So I've clicked on it. The contract address has been copied. So you can see that this Shiba AI is under BNB Smart Chain. You can see the logo here. This is a BNB Smart Chain logo. So let's open our Metamask and add this token to Metamask. This is the Metamask. So I want to add Shiba AI token to this Metamask. So don't forget that this Shiba AI is under BNB Smart Chain. So the first step you have to take is that you should come to this place here. You come to this place here. This place must be a BNB Smart Chain. So just click on it and select BNB Smart Chain. BNB Smart Chain. I've clicked on it. So you can see Ethereum mainnet, linear mainnet, Bitget mainnet, BNB Smart Chain. So I will click on BNB Smart Chain because Shiba AI is under BNB Smart Chain network. So I have clicked on it. So after changing the network to BNB Smart Chain, then you come here, you see import token. You see import token here, you click on import token. I've clicked on it. Then you see search and you see custom token. So you click on custom token. I'm clicking on custom token. So here you can see token contract address. So you have to paste that contract address of Shiba AI that we have copied. You have to paste it here. So I click on paste. So it's loading now. I click on paste. So then you see next. So you click on next. I click on next. So you can see Shiba AI. Then I click on import. This is import. You click on import, guys. I've clicked on imports. So you can see now Shiba AI has been added to my Metamask. That is how to add token or import any token to your Metamask. You have to know the network. Maybe it's BNB network or Ethereum network. Then you select the network and you click on import and you paste the address. Then you have successfully added any token you want to add to your Metamask. I hope you find this video very valuable. If you do so, kindly like, share and subscribe as I keep dishing out vital information about crypto investment, crypto trading and airdrop in general. I remain your friend Shina Oladele, aka The Colorless Ink. Thank you.